Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Verimail. As you can see, Verimail is a new deal on AppSumo and it's basically a email validating tool. Using Verimail, you can give your contact list a deep cleaning for risk-free email marketing. Verimail is an alternative of Never Bounce. It's best for email marketers and other high volume senders who want to launch risk-free low-cost campaigns. So you can clean up your contact list of risky addresses and prevent IP blocking using this Verimail. And Verimail is offering its lifetime deal on AppSumo. The pricing of this lifetime deal is starting at 59 USD. If you see the detailed pricing, then you can see on license tier 1 you can verify up to 100,000 verification per month. That means you can verify up to 100,000 email per month. On license tier 2 you can verify up to 200,000 email per month, and on license tier 3 you can verify up to 500,000 email per month. You will get all the features above. The features are remove syntax error for free, remove duplicates for free, correct common typos like gmail.com, smtp verification. So guys, you can do smtp verification also on Verimail. That's great. After that, you can remove invalid domains, detect catch-all addresses, detect disposable addresses. You are getting integralist technology here, list verification, real-time API, and end-to-end encryption on services. If you scroll down from here, you will see their roadmap. If I go to their roadmap from here, see, this is their roadmap. In the roadmap, we are seeing the Google Sheet integration, support XLSX download, support XLSX upload, and choose verification status to download. These features are under construction, and there are some features that are planned and in development is JPR integration. So I hope very soon you will get this JPR integration. And if you go to their pricing plan, that means their regular pricing plan. This is their regular pricing plan, and they have a free plan by which you can verify 100 emails per month. So you can test this tool using this free plan if you want. I will give the link in the description of this video so that you can come to this page. And other plans are starter plan, professional plan, and enterprise plan. And they are, this is the pricing as you can see. And on the enterprise plan you can verify up to 1 million verification per month. They also have pay as you go plan. Suppose for 1000 verification you have to pay $4, for 2500 verification you have to pay $8. This is the list. As you can see, this is the list. So guys, this is the pricing plan, and this is the lifetime deal pricing plan as you can see. Now without further doing, let's explore what have inside the dashboard of Verimail. After login you will get a dashboard like this. This is the dashboard as you can see, and here you will see your uses. You can see your current plan. I am using the free plan because I am doing this just for test purpose. And this is the things. And the cool thing is you are getting the API key. So by using this API key you can connect this Verimail with your other email tools, so it will work like automation. And the next features are verify a CSV list, verify a single address, and this is my payments and sitting. So the main features are these two features: verify a CSV list and verify a single address. At first we will check the single address. So just click on verify a single address, or you can click on here verify, and here you have to give the email address. At first I will give a valid email address. This is one of my email address. So this is one of my valid email address. Let's see what it says. Just click on verify. So it says deliverable. This mailbox exists and is accepting emails. After that, I will use here a disposable mail or temp mail. As you can see, this is temp mail. I will copy one temp mail from here. Suppose this one, and then I will check this one here. Click on verify. So guys, see, it can detect the disposable mail. So as you can see, this is the mail. So it's saying that it is disposable mail, and that's actually true. So single email verification working. After that we have the list plan. That means you can verify a list of email at a time. To do that, at first you have to get your email list in CSV format. This is my email list. As you can see, I will download this email list in CSV format from here, and then I will upload this email list. To do that, just click on add list, and from here select your email list. So it's uploading, guys. See how it analyzes. There had 26 rows and there had 25 email ID or email accounts. It will take some time. So guys, I will check how much time it will take. Now the time is 11:16 p.m. I will check the time again when the verification will be done. And I have added 25 email addresses here. I'm pausing the video so that you can save your time. So guys, it has been detected the emails. Now I have to click on this verify, then it will be verified. So I'm clicking on the verify option. See, it's in progress, and it's saying that there have zero duplicate email and zero error email. So it will also detect the duplicate email and error email, and billable email is 25. That means I have given here 25 emails. So guys, maybe it will take more time to verify. I'm pausing the video again and I will come back whenever the verification has been done. You can see the timing now, and I will show you the timing when the verification will be done again. So guys, the verification has been done. As you can see, the timing is now 11:22. So to verify these 25 emails, it has taken this amount of time. Anyway guys, after that you will get a option named download. Just click on download. Let's see what it provides. So I'm opening the downloaded file. It's saying the status, deliverability, result. So these are the status, or these are the results. As you can see, in the case of this email verification, this is the status and they all are success, and this email is false. So the deliverability of this email is false, but the deliverability of this email is true. The deliverability of this email is false, so the result is undeliverable. But as the deliverability of this email is true, so it is deliverable. It's validated the whole email list. This is the quick video, guys. So if you think you need a email verification tool and you need more than 100 email verification per month, then you can get this lifetime deal from here. They are offering their lifetime deal on AppSumo and the starting price is 59 USD. You can validate up to 100,000 email per month for this 59 USD. I hope the license tier 1 is enough for most of the people, but if you need more, you can upgrade up to license tier 3. I'll give the link of this Verimail lifetime deal in the description of this video. You can get this lifetime deal with 10% discount. So go to the description and get the 10% discount link, and it's an affiliate link guys. If you use this link, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional money. So if you think this video is helpful for you, so please use this link to purchase it. It will help me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed this YouTube channel, then please consider subscribing this YouTube channel. Visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business, and join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group. I'll give the link of this group in the description. If you wish to join on this lifetime deal discussion group, you can join by clicking on this link. Thank you so much for watching this video again.